This research documents something absolutely unprecedented. Not AI assisting cyber operations, but AI orchestrating them. Anthropic calls this the first documented case of an AI-orchestrated cyber espionage campaign. Anthropic detected and disrupted a campaign largely executed by an autonomous AI system with high confidence attribution to a state-sponsored actor. The impact isn't just technical, it's a fundamental change in speed, scale, and accessibility of sophisticated cyber espionage. Now, historically, humans drove cyber operations. AI might assist. GTG 1002 flipped that model. Here, the AI executed 80 to 90% of tactical operations independently. Humans were no longer steering every step. They were supervising, authorizing, and escalating. This distinction matters. Human on the loop scales in a way human in the loop never can. The attack architecture looks eerily familiar, and that's the point. At the center, an orchestration engine built around Claude code. Around it, specialized sub-agents. One agent scanning for vulnerabilities, another validating credentials, a third agent extracting data, another handling lateral movement. Each task looks legitimate in isolation, but together they form a fully autonomous campaign engine. Human input still mattered, but only at the start. Operators supplied a list of targets like tech companies, governments, financial institutions. Then came the deception. The AI was prompted to role play as a legitimate cybersecurity employee, bypassing safety training. From there, reconnaissance ran autonomously and in parallel across many targets. This is speed no human team can match. This is where autonomy becomes operationally decisive. The AI handled discovery, analysis, exploit development, and validation, all within 1 to 4 hours. Human review, 2 to 10 minutes, just enough to approve exploitation. Once inside, the AI expanded on its own. It used stolen credentials for lateral movement, mapped internal networks, tested access against APIs, databases, and registries, and then queried data at scale. Critically, it didn't just exfiltrate data, it categorized findings by intelligence value. One of the most striking things here is that the AI generated structured markdown documentation throughout the entire campaign. Services discovered, vulnerabilities found, credentials harvested, data extracted. It was, in effect, a well-documented operation as if ready for a handoff. Now, there were limits. The AI sometimes overstated findings, hallucinated credentials, flagged critical discoveries that were already public. Now, this is important. Oddly enough, hallucination is still friction against full autonomy and a defensive foothold. Unfortunately, the barriers to sophisticated attacks have certainly fallen. This is not about genius hackers anymore. Anthropic's response was immediate and swift, banning threat actor accounts, improving cyber-focused detection, prototyping early detection for autonomous attacks, and coordinating with authorities and partners. Anthropic used AI to analyze massive amounts of telemetry generated during the investigation. The message is clear. AI will define both attack and defense going forward. Now, the techniques described here will proliferate. There is no doubt about that. This is a new battleground and a new opportunity for organizations that adapt fast, treating AI as critical infrastructure rather than just as a tool. They will be the ones that stay ahead. Check out details in the paper, which is in the description below. And thank you for watching.